This time of year, the weather's pretty cold, you've got ice on your windows steaming up in the morning. So what I'm going to do now is give you my 5 top tips for winter driving. Now my first tip is testing the battery. Did you know at 0 degrees Celsius the battery loses 35% of its start capacity? So this is really important if you want to make sure your car's going to start in the morning. I've tested this one and we're all good. Tip number 2, make sure your wipers are kept in good condition. Now these ones aren't going to do anyone any favours. They're not going to clear the water from the window. If you're driving at night or in the morning in the darkness with headlight glare from other cars, when you've got your wipers on, it's just going to leave streaks on the window. So you want to make sure your wipers are in good condition. You want to occasionally put some blue roll or a piece of kitchen roll down the blade just to keep it clean, and make sure your screen wash is kept topped up. Tip number 3, tyres. Now these are the only things keeping you on the road in all this bad weather. So you want to make sure your tyres don't look like this. This has got less than 1.6mm tread, so it's under the legal limit. It's got wire hanging out the inside, so that's not good. This one, nice even tread, plenty of it. Make sure the tyre pressures are kept up to the minimum specifications. You can find them in your handbook or in the fuel filler flap or sometimes in the door shut. And keep your tyres looking like this and they will keep you on the road. So my next tip is lights. You want to be checking your headlights, your indicators, your side lights and your full beam lights on the front. On the rear you've got your indicators, your tail lights, number plate lights, brake lights and your rear fog light. Now top tip for you, if you reverse up to a wall or another car and put your brake lights on, you should be able to see the reflection in your mirrors. So finally, tip number 5, keep some winter essentials in the car with you. Now I like to keep a can of de-icer, so you help clear the window when it's icy. I also keep an ice scraper with one of these rubber pads on, which is really good for clearing any excess water off your windows, off the side windows. I also keep a microfiber cloth, which is good for helping to demist the window inside the car. And a bonus tip for you, if you have air conditioning, use your air conditioning with the heater to help clear your window. It will clear your window a lot quicker. So there we have it, my 5 top tips for winter driving. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more videos like this.